Hey guys, I got here, I purchased here a PEX expander kit. There's a lot of good review about it, so I decided to make a video regarding it. I got it from Home Depot. Um, it's actually $500 for it plus tax. So, um, it comes with like all these fittings here. You got a tool, you have 2X battery, charger, and you have the fitting there. You have 1/2 inch head, a 3/4 head, and a 1 inch head. So basically that's like the standard size in common when you do PEX and plumbing and stuff. It's like those are the common size you really need. So I'm gonna do like a little review here so you could know what it is. It's a Milwaukee. It's the item number is 2474-22. Okay, so I got a phone in my other hand, so it's kind of difficult. So this is the here item here. You can see there this item there. You have one fitting here on the machine already, and and then the other two is here. So this is how it looks like actually. You have one battery here, and the other battery's on the tool. And it's heavy, so it fits perfect in your hand. So compact. They make it a little compact. It looks heavy, feels heavy duty. I mean, it's a good tool if you're doing a lot of PEX, plumbing. Expand those connectors. You want to connect anything. This is like the perfect tool for that. I mean, I like the tool. So the battery indicator there says, yeah, it's a pretty good tool when you're doing your PEX. The case is kind of like protect everything in there. It's a nice small case. It comes with a guide, paperwork and stuff. It probably weighs like, I would say, looking like 2 pounds, 2 to 3 pounds. Probably less. I mean, I didn't actually weigh it, but let's say 2 pounds in your arm. Okay? Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.